Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Students, today we are going to do fun numbers with activities on page number 23. So students, open the page number 23 of your book, count the given objects and write correct number in the box. Students, हमें करना क्या है, इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करना है और इनका राइट नंबर इन बॉक्स में फिल करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज वाटरमेलन and only one. So we put the one in first box. Second one is 2 oranges. So put the 2 in this box. Third one is 3 caps and put the 3 in the blank box. Fourth picture में देखिए, we have 4 gift box. So we put the 4 in blank box. In picture number 5, we have 5 chick. So we put the 5 in blank box. Next, we have 6 trophies. So we put the 6 in blank box. Next one is balls. And we have 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So put the 7 in blank box. Next one is egg. We have 8 egg. So 8 put in the blank box. Next one is jug. Blue jug. We have 9 blue jug. So 9 put in the blank box. Last one is 10 cupcake. So we put the 10 in the blank box.